Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel that is the Road of Dreams. So today is Sunday and I'm in a very happy mood because obviously for the first thing it's a Sunday, it's a fun day, and I have lots and lots of time to explore my life, that what else I can do rather than the daily routine life, that going to the office, to the code, doing course and all that. But today I am really in a very peaceful mode, that I can sit and do whatever I want to, because घर पे भी as such बहुत ज़्यादा कोई काम नहीं है, and I was thinking of shopping. uh, but as we know, lockdown and all ये सब की वजह से most of the shops are not opening, and if they are opening तो काफ़ी भीड़ होता है, and घर वाले कहते हैं कि ओके डोंट गो आउट, टेक केयर ऑफ़ योरसेल्फ, एंड ऑब्वियसली वी अंडरस्टैंड दिस कंसर्न. सो मैंने ये सोचा है कि आज हम अमेज़ॉन से कुछ शॉपिंग करते हैं, एंड इसलिए मैंने डिसाइड किया कि आई विल गेट 2 or 3 things for myself as my birthday is coming. So 21st is my birthday this month, and I ordered 2 things. That the one is blackhead remover. I will give the description, मतलब give the link in the description box कि मैंने कौन सा मॉडल, कौन सा प्रोडक्ट लिया है. एंड द अदर इज़ अ ट्राईपॉड स्टैंड. एक्चुअली इट्स अ मोनोपॉड स्टैंड, बिकॉज ट्राईपॉड स्टैंड कई बार क्या होता है, वी कैन नॉट कैरी इट फ्रॉम हियर टू देयर, एंड कभी कभी मैं ट्रैवल करती हूँ एंड वी मतलब वी डोंट हैव दैट मच स्पेस टू कैरी अ ट्राईपॉड स्टैंड, एंड देन आप किसी चीज़ में भी किसी चीज़ के साथ भी उसे रखोगे तो इट में ब्रेक. So I don't want all that to happen. So it's I got a monopod for myself. I will also provide iska link in the description box. So it is very affordable, and it's very lightweight and compact, so that I can carry it in my handbag too. And yeah, these 2 things I got for myself, and I am thinking of getting few more things for myself, and that will be the skincare routine ki cheeze, because I need to stock it up again. I have nothing left with me, the face pack, the face mask and everything. So I'm thinking of doing all that. Yeah, so this is the place I live in, and I have recently came to this place. I've shifted here, and I'm liking this place because it's very peaceful, and I can sit at the balcony having a coffee and thinking about life. Oh my god, it's so philosophical. But yeah, I really like the places that are very peaceful. I don't like noisy, crowded areas because I have never lived into such place, and this is how I enjoy my evening time with tea or coffee. Not tea, mostly coffee. And I sit here, listen to good music by grabbing a cup of coffee. And sometimes I do talk to my aunt who just stay downstairs. And I don't have friends over here, so I don't need much of friends because I have you people to be there. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Actually, it's a busy road, so गाड़ी तो होंगे ही obviously. So yeah, this is how I pass my time during this lockdown, and because it's Sunday and I am free to do whatever I want to, so I am doing it. I'm just enjoying my me time and feeling really relaxed and good, because there are very few times when I can actually enjoy my me time. Oh my god, just look at the weather. It's so amazing, guys. Just see. Oh my god, it's going to rain and I'm so excited. Hello again. So अब हो गई है रात, and I'm really sorry मैं busy हो गई थी. I was running from here to there. मुझे बहुत सारे काम थे, and I went to the market, so मैं vlog नहीं कर पाई. But now it's my dinner time. Actually अभी मैं prepare करूँगी कि मुझे अभी खाना बनाना है. So आई सी यू सुपर सून. आई होप कि आपको आज का मेरा जो रूटीन था, मतलब इट वॉज नॉट एक्चुअली रूटीन, बट हाँ मैं शाम के समय क्या करती हूँ, एक छोटा सा ब्लॉग मैंने सोचा कि मैं आपको बताऊँ. दिखाऊं और मैं कहाँ रहती हूँ, what do I do. So I just made it for you people. I hope you are liking it and मिलती हूँ मैं आपसे थोड़ी सी देर में after my dinner. Guys, I'm back again. So my dinner is done and now I'm all set to sleep because I have a long day tomorrow. I have to go to the court and then the office. So I'll sleep early. And before sleeping, I have few other works like I saw some of my silver jewelries. They are like kept here and there everywhere. So I have to rearrange them, restore them properly, and then I'll take a good sleep so that I can wake up properly and on time, so that going to the court after so long doesn't get uh, problematic for me, because I really have to do so much of work tomorrow. So till then, I'll ask all of you to be good, be safe, and I'm so sorry. My room is a big mess right now because I didn't got time to arrange it properly. But soon I'll do a tour of it. And yeah, when I was right before few minutes when I was looking at my silver jewelries, I thought of showing it to all of you. So I'll try to put a video of my silver jewelry collection. I have quite a few. I hope you'll like it. Until then, please sleep well and stay safe, stay home, guys. I really need to go. I don't want to, but I have to. So I hope you understand. And toodles. Good night, all.